How to use Indeed Flex app. Learn Indeed Flex app. So the Indeed Flex app is a job finding and shift management platform designed for flexible or part-time workers. So it allows you to search, book, and manage temporary shifts across different companies all from your phone. So here's how you can use it for your definitely benefits. So um, the first thing you're gonna have to do is to download the actual Indeedflix app, so you can do that in the browser, or I mean, it will lead you directly to the Play Store. But once you do so, just set up your account. Sign up with your email or Indeed account. Complete your profile information like your name, skills, work experience, and availability. After you do all that, you can verify your identity and upload any required documents for eligibility to work. So once you do that, you can start exploring your job opportunities. Once verified, you can browse available job shifts by location, role, or company. Use the filters to find specific types of work like retail, warehouse, and more. Each listing shows hourly pay, job descriptions, and location details. So once you're done with your search, you can book your shifts. Tap a job to view full details and book a shift if you meet the requirements, since you'll receive a confirmation in the app and possibly an email notification. Some roles may need an interview or onboarding session before your first shift, but once you have that all together, you can manage your schedule. In the My Shifts tab, see your upcoming and completed shifts. You can cancel or reschedule if it is allowed and track your total hours worked. The app will send reminders and updates before each shift. So once you do all that, you can get paid, and after every work, you can review as well. After completing a shift, your payment will be processed directly through Indeed Flex, and you can also rate your experience and receive feedback from employers to build your reputation for future work. But if you want to go ahead and learn more about Indeed Flex app, about its features and whatnot, it's better to learn it directly in their website, since that's pretty much where you can learn what they do and what it does for you. But hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.